Hey man, we just dropped the letters off, bro, and that seals it. That's officially the end of the first part of what I want to do, trying to help these children. Not to say this is the end of everything, but we've hit the first part. You know what I'm saying? We've helped them out when it comes to motivating them and trying to get them to be able to push on and keep fighting. Now, we're on to bigger things. I want to try different things, like maybe actually giving them something, like physical, whether it's experience or whether it's actual toy or something like that, and giving them all those type of things. But let's start brainstorming, me and you. You feel me? I'm gonna start thinking some stuff myself. And if you think of anything that I should do for pretty much to raise money, or people I should work with, or organizations I should work with, hit me in the comment section. I would love to hear it, because this isn't over. We got more stuff we're gonna be doing, and we just gotta figure out what it is. Me and you. You know what I'm saying? We're a team for real. Bro. Other than that, my dogs, it's always love. Like, follow, and all that good stuff, man. And make sure to comment and tell me what you think we should do next. Other than that, deuces.